Okay, good evening. I just do a sound check. Oh, okay. If you can hear me, I just do a sound check. Just type 1 for me. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, so good evening for all members and who's non-members who join my channel to this evening. Okay, so I think many my mistake also, right, because I forgot to put any how to say a notice in my Facebook saying that today the Bursa Thrive is still continue. Okay, even though it's next week, it's a long holidays. Okay, but our Bursa will reopen on I think it's around Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Okay, so for because this holiday also not going anywhere, so and I also quite enjoy looking to share every day. Okay, so today will be have a normal continue all our talk about stock. Okay, so for today actually I want to start a little bit with Dow Jones first. Okay, as you know that many you can know that Dow Jones in Friday have a big drop about a 900 point. Okay, so actually this is quite a bit worry. Is because of this position. Okay, so because this is actually you can see here is the trade line. Okay, and this is a lower trade line. Then okay, the entire things is already on the way continue to drop. Okay, and what we can see actually if I shorten this one, okay, I minus out the last Friday chart. You can see here. This is actually is quite interesting. Okay, about the volume. Okay, because we use a volume spread analysis to check the entire chart. Okay, so here you can see this is the volume, and this is one of the volume that is considered is high. Okay, and you can see here all these high. I don't put a line, so I just look at a tick here and a tick here. Okay, so you can see here is all the turning point. This is like a SP. It's a call spring in VSA for volume spread analysis. Spring is mean that is the chart is at the corner, like going to rebound in like a sign of strength. Okay, to support at that level. Okay, but however, in this a few times, okay, the SP is I can say that is a quite a success. Okay, you have a SP, then the things bounce up, and this thing is bounce up, and when this one, the second one, even though he's drop back, then he's also quickly bounce back. Okay, so this is some support is created inside this Dow Jones. Okay, so then after that you have a high volume here. This is the volume. Suppose that in a volume plus spread, this thing should have a power to going up. Okay, but however, this thing did not happen. And even though at this level, it did not create a good support also. Okay, as we can know that yeah, Dow Jones is all is because of the interest rate going to increase. So all now they are pricing in the stock is going to most likely the stock is going to drop. Okay, so this is can be said that is a quite a normal things. Okay, but however you can see that in the chart how far it can drop. Okay, and where is the support that we need to pay attention. If the support's been break with high volume, that means the drop might be come to more lower. Okay, because in our technical analysis we are using VSA. Okay, so we try to catch the turning point here, the turning point. Okay, even though we are if you are invest in futures, okay, all this turning point is very important for you to know whether you are in the short position or in long position. Okay, so for this one you can see here the volume here is the highest. Can consider is the a high one, okay, and this one actually almost quite high also, these two, okay, and these two side by side, you are supposed to have some strength. That is like a U shape, okay, like a small U shape, okay. For pattern wise, this one is quite a powerful support, okay, because this SP did not touch until this line only form, okay. Then actually this SP, this SP, okay, is like forming like this. Sorry, I just dropped. Okay, like this, and this strong ones is like this. Okay, it's like a little bit already above, but this a little bit above actually. If you check about, is talk about a few thousand point here. Okay, so even though it look like short, but actually it's 1,000 point. Okay, if you are talk about a Dow Jones, because it's a 33K and above one, so that's why the movement easily become 1,000 point. Okay, so okay, at here it's supposed to be have some good support, because this is even though this is a SP, then you have a failed SP. If failed SP, that means a sign of weakness to go down more further one. Okay, then you certainly have a support U-turn like this. Okay, and unfortunately, the next day they cannot create a second up bar, even though a small one. Okay, if like this is not been formed, this will be a very big problem, because this one will be causing a lot of that means the background is very, very weak. Okay, so when you have this one, let's say I minus up plus the second one, now it's become create something like this. Okay, a big drop, then bounce and drop some more. Okay, so that's why now this line here will be the major support. Okay, and we have tried been safe this one time. And second time, if this time break, then this level will be happening. Okay, then the next, if this level 23,800, 23.8K been break, then you will come to a second, come to here, 31.5K. Will be a rather almost 1,000 point, more than one, about 1,000, almost to this is about 800, 900 point drop from this level and below. Okay, so that's why now it's quite how to say, because we did not know how much the interest rate hike will cost into all this this market. Okay, so we can know that Dow Jones is a major, and a lot of this will affect in our Malaysia also, and also Hong Kong. Okay, because they are the world leader. So anything a sneeze of US, okay, will cause the whole world shake a little bit also. Okay, so and I just want to show here also when your analysis is using VF. Okay, actually the VF is already noticed here, is already on the downtrend. Okay, the momentum at the background is already getting lower and lower. So that's why here can be already considered a double top. Okay, a double top here. So in a lot of analysis of this candlestick, and also plus volume spread analysis, the whole thing is in the downtrend. Okay, so that's why if you are active invest in US, now actually the stock is it depends what stock you are carrying in, but overall the market is getting weaker and weaker. Okay, so until he tests one, you need to go to test one strong support either here or here. This is maybe this is a support 1, support 2. Okay, only a high volume or super high volume coming in only will change the thing to become a sideways. Okay, once it's sideways, that means the whole thing is start to stable down. Okay, once it has stable down the thing, once it says stable down, sometimes like this, stable down, then only will have some good recovery is coming in. That means they need to price in all the negative thing to go in. Okay, so before the whole thing has been changed back. Okay, this is a little bit about US. Okay, so another one will be the I move on to the Hong Kong stock. Okay, so this is Hang Seng. Oh, sorry, I typed this one. I typed to Hong Kong one, this one. Okay, so Hong Kong one is when you are looking into the Hong Kong index, you will find another support here. Okay, now currently you can see here a lot of support, and you can see a SP and a lot of LC is coming in. Okay, so and here actually below this line, below this this support line, okay, the important thing is here has create a very big flush and going up. Okay, so that means this territory, this zone is I can say that maybe some political issue, or no matter how the some market supporter don't want the Hong Kong, maybe they don't want to for this one to drop into this zone. This zone is quite a dangerous zone. Okay, so that's why a lot of supporting is already come in once this level has start to break. Okay, so no matter how in maybe next week, okay, we did not know whether that he will be a breakdown or how. So, but if he can break down, but I think if this one, this line, this support line, the first one has break down, the second out here, I think will be supported, because this line, I put that here. I get this one. At here is about the lowest we go at this bar is 18,000.13. Okay, so it will be around here. I put it here. Is okay. Actually is around here. Okay, I just put a dotted line and I changed it to a purple color. Okay, so this one is really back to a few years low. Okay, so if this one continue to break, then will be I think it's unlikely, because a lot of government effort also doing to support the stock. Okay, so example like this one, actually this one is during last Friday. Okay, this one is a 3 May one. This one is a Monday one. Okay, because they have a night trade for Hang Seng Index following the Dow Jones one. Okay, so when you have this one, is a rebound bar here. Actually, it will give you a very good support to have a U-turn. Okay, have a U-turn here. Okay, supposed to need to be out of this first support. Okay, they cannot be always challenged at this support to continue. If you break too much time to be something like this, there will be drop. There will be a support. It become a distribution for the market support at this level. Okay, so that's why this one is not supposed to be happen. Hopefully it can hold. Okay, if cannot hold, then will be a very quite a dangerous one. Okay, but however, market is some you talk about this futures market, you always can have long and short. Okay, short. It's not like stock only you profit when the market is rising. Okay, the market is going up. Okay, but for trading for futures, both sides also can make money. Okay, also the same, both sides also can lose money. Okay, so this is all same. Okay, profit and loss is the same one. Okay, the risk is there. Okay, but however, today I will show a little bit how you check on using Macquarie call and put warrant. Okay, so if like this one, you can in this one you can see I saw using Hang Seng Index call warrant. Okay, you can see here some member has been asking me why I choose this one, and I already abandoned this two. Okay, I already abandoned these two, CQ1 and CQ2. CQ1 and CQ2. This is because most this one I think he on Friday, what I noticed is actually both already sold out. Okay, when a stock market when your call warrant already sold out, the robot no longer can control the buy and sell. Okay, so usually when a panic drop from the market, the buying here actually is supported by the robot. Okay, the robot. That means the algorithm work behind. Okay, so and this one is wherever you they will be following this calculation. Okay, there is because the algorithm, there's something they have some they need to be maintaining the effective gearing, or have a delta percentage is all need to be they already calculate inside their algorithm. Okay, so how the algorithm work is their secret. Okay, but however, when you have talk about when you have a stock like sold out one, that means the algorithm is no longer being imposed is there. It's based on our human nature. Okay, so when you have a panic sell, and you have suddenly you have a panic sell down, and suddenly it's rebound back also. But if the market is not so favorable, maybe a lot of people is fear to buy, that means you no robot to support or algorithm to support the buy. Okay, that's why it will be very important when you see a cross here. Okay, so the Macquarie already written here. Oh, sorry. Is all this inventory sold out? Okay, you can also read the what is the reason, what is the meaning of all this, like a high liquidity. That means a lot of buy sell, the activity is high. Okay, a new warrant or trading volume is all there. Okay, so but you this is only a general, but when you are really taking an action to invest, then you need to be careful. Okay, so and also I have in my in the group, I have always said that you don't keep. Okay, don't keep. Let's say now you are investing using a CQ1, CQ2. Okay, then you can see that the expiring date, okay, still is in August. Then you will think that now just 1st May. Okay, 1st of May. Okay, 1st of May, you're talking about another almost three months. Okay, 3 months is look like quite okay for a warrant. Okay, but however, because of already sold out, then actually no choice. You need to switch to different type of call warrant. Okay, and also when you have notice, you also need to be keep in touch and watching this implied volatility. Okay, and this front four here actually is talk about here, this one. Okay, the implied volatility last few month week, this one is all about 41. Okay, and this is 30 something one. Okay, so and I see that the volatility implied volatility is already dropped. Okay, this is a volatility actually is very important. Is because has some effect on the calculation of algorithm at the back at the back of this system. Okay, I know it's a little bit so technical, but this one you when you have trading this warrant, this one is very important. Okay, so usually this one is I discover during the my real-time trading. Okay, so some of it is not being disclosed by Macquarie also. Okay, so maybe there are some secret at their engine also. Okay, so whatever data here is exposed to here, then actually is we can use it. That's why now why in a group I already switched this one to CJB. Okay, because implied volatility is already dropped below 30%. Okay, already below 30%, even though it's about 29.1 now. Okay, so actually I will trade a call warrant with a standard of a 26 one. Okay, 26 is the best one. Okay, volatility that means the movement between the correlated between the core warrant and the mother share is quite parallel. That means up is up, down is down. Okay, so no hanging there. Then the response is quite very fast. Okay, so that's why I choose this one. Currently, I switched to this one, but on Friday I already fully take profit already, because for call warrant, when you are buying maybe call or put also, never keep for long like long holiday. Okay, because during the long holiday we did not know what happened. Okay, especially like now, certainly Dow Jones is dropped so much. Okay, maybe Monday will already affect the Hong Kong. Okay, we did not know. Okay, how affect it, because when the Hong Kong market start, even though it's drop or jump up high or get up, okay, or get down, okay, we cannot do our trading. Okay, so they will be giving us some risk there. Okay, so that's why usually we'll keep until the last. Then if loss, we also cut loss. If profit, we also take profit. Okay, so this is a little bit about choosing of a call warrant. Okay, and this call warrant I want to show you. You can go to a warrant tools here. You go to a warrant calculator. Okay, calculator here. I just want to show you is one thing is you can see this in this screen. You can choose the call warrant that you need to invest. Okay, you can go into this like example. I choose CJB. Okay, so important thing is here you need to set at this position. Okay, this position, because let's say this is a calculation of an algorithm that will set to let you know where's the price. Okay, where is the price the robot will control. Okay, if sold out already, then this one will be not invalid already, because it's less effective. It's not so that not say that it's 100% not valid. This is some validation is there, but if sold out a call warrant or put warrant, this one will be not that effective. Okay, but for a new one and liquidized one, this one is quite effective. Okay, so I want you to if you want to analyze, you need to analyze, change the date. Okay, so example now 1st May. Okay, the algorithm is talk about the price is 016. Sorry, 061. Sorry. Okay, 016. 061. Okay. And this one, I want you you can analysis. You click to after 2 weeks. Okay, you talk about after 2 weeks. Okay, after 2 weeks is 14 May, or you need to choose maybe you choose back trading day is 3. Then you need to go for another 3 days. Okay. Okay, 17, something like that. Okay, so when you click here, you can see even though the entire Hang Seng Index did not move. Hang Seng Index did not move. Okay, still maintain. Okay, but your price is already slowly controlled, being dropped. Okay, from after 2 weeks. Okay, Hang Seng Index didn't move. Okay, you also will lose another negative 6%. Just now it's a -3. Now it will be lost 6%. Okay, that's why stock of call warrant or put warrant, the value will be dropped. It will be dropped. Okay, when the time is go by. Okay, that's why when the moving of the let's say sell off call warrant, or the implant volatility is have changed. Okay, so will entirely affect your trading strategy. Okay, so that's why when you are trading a call and put warrant, you need to cut loss fast and move on. Okay, so this one is very important. Okay, and you can have some also you can play around in this calculator. Let's say certainly your date is the same one. Okay, but your implied volatility drop. Okay, drop to 26. Okay, if your trend drop to 26, you can see the price is more problem. Okay, it's more problem. The drop is much more severe. Okay, just now the date of 14 days, that means 2 weeks. 2 weeks. If Hang Seng Index didn't drop anything, you are -6. Okay, but when the implied volatility drop, okay, so in the same day and the index also same, you will have a negative about this one is about 11%. Okay, so that's mean what? Okay, by hook or by crook, you will buy a call warrant. Okay, if everything is stagnant, okay, price moving, implied volatility drop, date drop, okay, you are in the losing side. Okay, sound dangerous, right? Okay, it's like a losing side. Okay, that's why let's say usually implied volatility will not certainly jump out one. Okay, if this implied volatility jump out, you will certainly do nothing. Your call warrant will be shoot up. Okay, so this one have happened before is because when the index volatility has been dropped a lot. Okay, so I have that's why when we are targeting buying a call warrant here, okay, we try to get something like this type. Okay, 26. Okay, because implied volatility usually when it drop, what I see is when they drop to 26, they will be no longer their drop one. Lesser they will drop. Okay, so that's why we try to get at this level. Okay, so if the implied volatility is still high, then you still need to be careful. Okay, that's why when I trade also CJB, I see any good opportunity, I just run already. Okay, I don't want to hold too high. Okay, but one thing good is because when the implied volatility is still in a high position, your price moving quite very good one. Okay, this is the good side of it if they don't drop it. Okay, example, when you're calculating your calculation here, let's say your implied volatility now is 30. Okay, so when you have now we can estimate the price. Okay, the calculation the price, the estimate is this one. Okay, 0.645. Okay, so when you have this one, the implied volatility has been increased. Let's say increase until 30. Increase to 34, something like that. Okay, actually your price jump almost 17%. Okay, whole things is changed. Okay, and the implied volatility also affect on the date. Let's say example, you stagnant the implied volatility, or you can just click reset. Okay, reset will go back to the original one of their setting. Wait, it's a little bit freaking here. Oh, sorry. The website is a bit need to reconnect because actually you can explore on Macquarie website. Actually, Macquarie website provide you a lot of information there. Okay, but just that you need to know how to check on every information inside. Okay, so we back to this calculator. Okay, so when you are reset back to implied volatility here, okay, so let's say I drag back another 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Okay, 10 days you have a drop of this one. Okay, 5, 8, 9. Okay, so after that, if your implied volatility just up 1%. Okay, 1%. Okay, almost 1%. A little bit small, only 30.5. Okay, so you see this one you can see here is the entire of the drop of the date of expire has been like covered back by the implied volatility, just a little bit only. Okay, so let's say just now is this one is 29.1. okay, 29.1, I just get another 20 a little bit more, about 2 point, okay, 31.1, okay, you straight away your, even though the time is declining, actually your call warrant has been positive, okay. So that's why the implied volatility is very, very important. You need to keep an eye on it, okay. So usually it did not fluctuate quite very big, but sometimes they do fluctuate, okay. And sometimes also I see it has been dropped a lot. Certainly, even though the stock is going up higher, but your call warrant will remain in negative. Okay, that's why at the behind, this is some of the logarithm that our queries are using on it. Okay, so however, but this implied volatility is based on their own calculation. This is also related to Hang Seng Volatility Index. Okay, volatility index also is play around here. So that's why when the market is volatility is low, then actually the call and put warrant will be much more easy to trade. Okay, this is some example lah. Okay, so for next week, okay, even though our market is not yet open, okay, but you can pay attention on some good call warrant. Okay, on a call warrant now I see is CJB is a quite good one. Okay, and also because CQ1 actually CQ2 also can be invest, but just that these two has already been sold up, the entire thing might be not that good lah. Okay, so you can concentrate a little bit on the CJB. Okay, and always coupling together with the partner of put warrant. Okay, because now the market is quite up down. Example like this one. Okay, we already can be do some estimate, because here you have a support, and I'm sorry, this is your resistance, and this is your support. Okay, and this resistance I put it is because during 2022 our opening. Okay, so expected the whole year actually will zigzag actually back to this point. Okay, during end of the year. Okay, so it's like a zigzag. When you have a zigzag mode, something like this, here already create another resistance. Okay, here if they don't break, become a support. Okay, and you can know that in Hang Seng Index, just talk about upper resistance and lower support. Actually, the difference is about almost 2,000 points. Okay, so it's very high. That means for your call and put warrant can fluctuate 100% one. Okay, so 100% 4K means in 4K, huh? Okay, so it's very quite interesting also and excited also when you're and also risky lah. Okay, the same thing. The whole thing is same thing. Okay, so when you are when you doing a sideways movement like this, better you need to have some pair. Okay, so that means you need to pair with someone from the call and put warrant together. Okay, when you click all this put warrant, make sure your expiring price you change it to maximum. Okay, compare if you are going a call warrant exercise price must be low as possible, because they need to minus out where is the point. Lower is better. But for put warrant, the exercise price higher is better, because it's a short position. Okay, so when you can here, you can see this one is May, and all this is quite going to expire. So we will target in September 1, August. This is something that we can look into. Then after that, you check on the implied volatility, and this is the implied volatility. Okay, you can see here actually why put warrant and call warrant, how come the implied volatility is so different? You can see here, and suppose they are seeing the same, right? Okay, suppose sepatutnya lah kan, they're seeing the same chart ma. Okay, the Hang Seng Index and all the call and put should be seeing this chart at the same one. Okay, but how come put warrant Okay, so the implied volatility you can see nothing drop to 20 something one. Never don't have any drop below 31. Okay, or is much more still higher. Okay, so when this thing happen, that means in their logarithm, okay, intend actually the market more favor drop than up. Okay, from here actually you can see a little bit predict from their system. Okay, their system is already judged. Actually, the drop is might happen more compared you jump up. Okay, so why? Let's say when you are going to, let's say you actually from here you can go into your S&P 500. Okay, this is when we are doing something about the US market. Okay, when you have a US market, you see this is put warrant. I put it together. I put call and put. Okay, okay, so I draw a line here. Draw a line here. You can see here and here. Okay, so call warrant. Okay, you see you can average, if you plus all this average out and you plus all this average out, the put warrant is higher. Okay, that means what? Actually, the robot is already have their own prediction. Okay, the market is drop. Okay, the market drop. So that's why sometimes when I go into to check, okay, whether the market is in favoring go up or favoring go down. Okay, not say that the logarithm is sure correct. Okay, but I believe Macquarie logarithm is because they have their secret there. Okay, so I think they can give us some hint. Okay, where is the market direction? Okay, so another one, if you also can go to Malaysia one. Okay, you go to FPM, KLCI. Okay, call and put, you submit. Okay, now this is some of the available one. Okay, you can go into here. Sorry, it did not sort out. This is got 1K here. Okay, however you can see. Okay, so this is a put warrant. Sorry, this is a call warrant, and this is call warrant, and this one is a put warrant. Okay, usually when I see this, okay, usually when you have a put warrant, the implied volatility is higher. The market intent is to go down. This is something that I realized after so many years. I trade this call and put warrant. Okay, so that's why you can see our KLCI, okay, index, okay, is also same some how to say same pattern, whereby it is like this one, this line you cannot break one. Even though you break out, you also will drop down, and you come on now. We don't know, because of the market or on US already dropped. I don't know whether this one, once we are reopen our market, is it this one we're going to drop or not? Okay, so also it's a question mark there. Okay, still is a question mark. But based on the logarithm that is Macquarie, I realized that every time the put warrant, the implied volatility is higher, the market intends to go down. Okay, so that's why when come to my futures trading, when I see in the high price, I usually, this is my option, it's not a call buy. Okay, not a call buy or call sell. Okay, so usually I go for short. Okay, I go for a short one, because I intend this thing, because if suddenly it's jump up at here, okay, let's say example, I show a little bit about our future, because this today I will share more on Hang Seng Index and based on the index, because actually not much stock to share because the market is closed next week. Okay, just only got 2 days trading days only. Okay, so this is something I want to show also in the index. Okay, you can plot, actually here is your level, and another risk is you put it maximum risk. Okay, you put it maximum risk is around this maximum risk is 1615, and now current is 1604. Okay, so what happens if you go short? at this high level, your risk is talk about 12 point. 12 point times 50 ringgit is about 600 ringgit. Okay, so this is a 600 ringgit. If the market suddenly gila go up like this, we cut loss here. You are risking 600 ringgit. Okay, but however, if the holding from here is drop back from the opening. Okay, drop back the opening is around 11.5. Okay, so and you can know that this one is 600 lah. Okay, this is about 575 lah. Okay, so in current market, you need to also ask yourself, okay, what side is likely to go for our index? Okay, going to break fearfully good or break down back to the support? Okay, with current market. Okay, so you also need to ask yourself, what is the good news coming? Okay, what good news likely to come in? Okay, certainly interest rate hike stop from US, or certainly inflation in US being good. Okay, certainly inflation in Malaysia all good. Okay, or certainly PRU coming. Okay, PRU coming. Okay, so to break this maximum to going up, okay, your risk is 600. But if you are talking about a bad news, what happens if you break back the lower support? Okay, if you break back to a lower support, okay, you're almost about 21.5. Okay, if you talk about 20 point, is already RM 1000. Okay, so you lost 600 to gain 1000. Okay, so when you are analyze the risk, you can know that actually it's one thing that you're worthy to bet. Okay, so because you can know that in the history, how many bar go beyond here? Only one and one here. Okay, so this is to talk about contract of April contract, but in the next one, they will carry out into a May lah. Okay, will carry out the May, but they will be always starting the same one. Okay, just a little bit different. Okay, so but you can see that no much bar in this area, much bar in here at here trading zone. So that's why the trading will be likely in the downside. Okay, so that's why this is how we judge the risk. Okay, to know whether it's moving up or moving down. Okay, so this is something that we are used to invest in futures. Okay, in futures, it's one thing good I like futures is because you can long, and also you can short. Okay, some people say that, oh, market is draw. Okay, how do you make money? You only can cut loss. Okay, so your stock, maybe you pull it, you hold your stock. Okay, then when you stock is one investment division. Okay, futures is another division. Okay, so when you are nothing is in stock, you go to a futures. When futures nothing, then you go to a stock. Okay, that's why you in trading skill, you need to be in both. Okay, if you don't have a futures account, go for call and put warrant. Okay, call and put warrant also some is calling about how to say long and short. Okay, but call and put warrant not that risky is because let's say you are invest in call warrant, you invest, let's say talk about maybe you start with small 3K maximum drop. If you don't know how to cut loss lah, okay, you just hold it, maximum come to a zero. Okay, this is what you lost, 3K only. Okay, but if you are futures, continue this one. Let's say you go for long position, long here. When he drop until here, you also don't know how to cut loss. This is a bottom lesson. Okay, it can go down more further and more further. Okay, so this one has been not say that it's not happened before. Because in April himself, let's say at this point, okay, you are buying in 4th of March, you go long position, then you go long that wrong direction. Okay, you are almost dropped to a lowest. If you're here until here, you don't cut loss, you lost 800, 80 point, okay? 80 point, 10 is 500, okay? About 4K here, okay? And for futures, if you don't cut loss, you can go, if the index go down lower, you can go down lower and lower and lower one, okay? So never ending one, okay? So this is some risk if you are invest in futures, okay? But in futures, both side lah, okay? Both side, okay? You go up also unlimited, you go down also unlimited, okay? If you don't want to know how to cut loss, okay? But for if you are investing in call and put warrant, there are some limit there, okay? So you have some risk there, okay? But I advise if you're using a call and put warrant, you can start with a very low talk about. Maybe you just locate at 3K only, okay? Or if your profile is small, you can locate another 1K only, okay? Try to practice a little bit, okay? And see what will be happen in this entire call and put warrant during the market, okay? And this one is a little bit additional to put here to talk about warrant, because warrant, I see that if you have a very good volatility index here, or this market is going sideways, actually call and put warrant can help you to earn some money, okay, during this trading, okay, but not a recommended or call buy, okay, just this is only sharing what I have in my trading history, okay. So this is a little bit about the market, okay, and also I need to touch a little bit of Klapasabi, okay. So every time I see this one, I also fear is inflation is coming, okay. You can see here, this is quite severe, okay. This one we know that Indonesia to prevent his in-house in the country, the subsidies of the oil is shoot up too high, okay, they stop the export, okay. So this is July contract, okay, and Indonesia said that by end May should be back to normal, okay, because they need to cater for the raya, okay. But end May is one thing, okay. So but now in July, it's already quite high here, okay. I'm not worried about Indonesia here, okay. Actually, I worry is when come to Europe winter, okay. When Europe in winter time, okay, no oil to eat or crude oil high to burn to warm yourself. This one will be a big problem, okay. They will come here Asia to buy. I think it will continue July and August, okay, and September one, okay. It look like it will be. Hopefully it's that way high, okay. Don't go up more higher and higher, okay. So if more higher and higher plus ringgit Malaysia, people say a little bit worried, okay. It look like have some chances to suddenly, drop down, but I still question because our OPR, okay, still remain the same, okay. Other country is already rise, we are still the same. We don't know whether this one will be suddenly going up or going down, okay. But hopefully it's stable at here, okay. Don't go anywhere. If you continue to go out, also not. Actually, it's not good for us, okay. So for a reason of like this, okay. So we can try to concentrate on furniture, okay. I quite favorite furniture is because actually in the early of the year, I already said that furnitures have some good advantage, okay. Furniture stock like home rates, okay. You can see the V shape is recovering, like Latitude, okay. Latitude, a share that has been dropped so much, okay, so much until you can see some look like a virtual support is coming in, okay. You come here, you see here, and here, okay. When you have a support here, there will be some likely chance to going up to test again. To test again the resistance, okay, okay. So for when we are using a technique of VSA, is a chart analysis. what we did not really focus on the background of the fundamental. Okay, we just have to focus on whether you have this this one potential to hit back your resistance. Okay, your potential to hit back into around here maybe not too optimistic. We are talking about a rebound of 4%. Okay, we just target a 12%. We don't target this one maybe, or if it continue going up, you hold it, then it's a different story lah. Okay, so example like Jinhin. Okay, Jinhin. This one like a rocket. Okay, no matter how bad the cement market is, it's continue rocket and rocket and rocket on. Okay, so in initial when we are using a chart, okay, when you are using an analysis or VSA, okay, volume spread analysis. I just want to highlight here a little bit is volume spread analysis is not same with candlestick analysis. Okay, candlestick analysis is a pattern. Okay, it don't have the volume, and without the volume, a lot of background momentum is not been recorded. Okay. Up bar for candlestick is the up and it have formed a hanging man call or any of their pattern. It's not say that the candlestick is not good. This candlestick has already been here also long. They also have their strength. Okay, but just that VSA, it gives us more information to judge the market. Okay, so for like this one, like example like in here, okay, so you have a path, then you come down and drop again, then suddenly it's break up. Okay, so if in VSA actually we are trying to get this one only actually. Okay, because there's a then I focus back here. Okay, let's say if a stock like top here, if you ask, oh, can now can enter at here or not, I also can advise you this is some risk. Okay, because at the initial, when we are talking about why we enter a trade, we focus on where is the support. Okay, we here see that the stock have some good support, then we try to enter here. We try to target back to the resistance, the immediate resistance. Okay, so actually at the initial stage of invest, we are talking about 16% only. Okay, because we try to get this support getting higher. Okay, that means we don't invest here, we don't invest here when we try to invest near the support. Okay, so but however, when we see a big drop here, only it's like something the weakness coming in. But this one, we actually in the initial stage, we just target a very short here. When you hit here, actually we already take profit. Okay, we already take profit. Okay, with this one we did not know. This is suddenly happen one, or maybe the next day if you don't take profit, no choice, we need to how to say cut loss. Okay, so but we see the stock did not continue drop. It looked like a rebuild some strength at this level. Okay, that's why your next entering is here. Okay, next entering here because we are using a breakout technique. Okay, so in VSA, you can go into a stock by targeting all the support. Okay, you buy at support or you buy in breakout. Okay, when you are buying breakout, then will be some risky because certainly will be dropped out. Okay, so if you are buying in support, okay, anything break the support might be just only maybe 2 to 3%. Okay, your risk is lower. Okay, but no choice. When you are up of option, you cannot find a stock in the support level, then you can go for breakout. Okay, breakout, you need to know the risk, where is your cut loss. Okay, that's why in the members area, I always emphasize you need to go for your risk and cut loss position. Okay, so additionally in this stock, okay, so if you don't buy, sorry, here, okay, if you still continue to keep, okay, even though reach until 16%, okay, maybe you sell half, still have balance half inside, you let the profit run. Okay, so then you keep the jackpot, okay, you hit a jackpot, okay, whereby from the start of your buying until now masih tak jual lagi, okay, you're talking about 63% of profit. Okay, so in your portfolio, sometimes you might not get all the stock come to this diamond standard one. Okay, not always one. Okay, maybe one or blue moon. Okay, but in 1 year, if you can catch a few, maybe 4, actually already good enough. The entire, it will tell you the entire portfolio increase at least 10%. Okay, 10% plus. Sometimes you can cut loss, everything. So that's why in a trading overall, you need to see a few shares, let's say a 5 share average. Okay, so but keep on in out, and you have something is not good, cut loss. Okay, and re-enter again. Okay, so my technique is always cut loss, is because I want to have the choose. That means you have the choose power back to my own. Okay, so anything, let's say here got problem, then I cut loss. Okay, so cut loss, then let's see what happened, then only I re-enter. Example like the last time I have shown is the red. This one I need to go a little bit off from future. So the furniture, later I come back to that one. Okay, so that today will be more on sharing on the technique. Okay, it's not because not much stock to talk about, because next week is a long holiday. Okay, I want to show is this where is the R? Okay, Agitech. Okay, Agitech. Okay, Agitech actually my sale has been best. Okay, but this one is totally not a call buy or call sell. Okay, so because need to re-talk many times, is because takut nanti SC cari. Okay, so I see it here. Okay, have a long sell, but when come to this here, it look like the SP coming in. That's why in this situation, where is your entry point? Okay, that means we will pay attention on here. Okay, it like forming something like drop and here. This means here actually is a bingo. You can get enter already. Okay, so that's why when the pentagon turn green, I entering around this level. Okay, around here. Okay, so once I enter, okay, so because I plan is go up to here. It go up to here one. Okay, so it's something like we are target. Our target is about just only about 8%. Okay, about 8%. Okay, so and this particular day, okay, in this one, it certainly shoot out. Okay, it shoot out. Then I sell 50%. Okay, take some profits first. Okay, money in your pocket first. Okay, so this is important. But suddenly at the end of the day, it's shock. Become an uptrust. Unfortunately, become an uptrust. Okay, so no choice. We just cut. We cut back wherever is there with a little bit loss, but however overall still a positive trade. Okay, this is how we do the trade. Okay, but when you cut loss already, you say that, oh, maybe sudah rugi or don't want to see the stock. No, you need to continue monitor the stock. You can see here this stock. After this big drop, it did not come down here. Okay, you need to ask why. And this volume, and this volume, and this volume, every time a high stock here is drop, high stock drop, high stock drop. Okay, but it's drop higher higher low. Okay, what happened? What happened? Okay, actually the whole thing is who's buying? Smart money at the background is buying. Okay, why why suddenly if I drop, I go back to here lah. Okay, I drop back to here lah. Okay, so back to here, already untung ma. Why I want to support it here? This means might be some reason this one is not smart money distribution. Okay, actually we did not know smart money really what they did, but we only using a VSA. VSA, what we are targeting is we try to focus their how to say, the back step. Okay, so their jalan, okay, their footstep. Okay, once we have all this the footprint there, we try to analyze what they are doing. Okay, so you can see here why this drop, and why this drop. Actually, this one has been resistant here, but you can see some trend is going up. Okay, so this means something is to be built out one. Okay, and you know that this one corporate tech is a technology stock. Okay, suppose technology stock is like this one, because with all this interest rate happen. Okay, so technology stock is dropping. Okay, so supposed to be drop. That means something in their business actually is quite good to support it. Okay, so that's why we don't know how it's going to fire up, but it looks like it's forming a stop. Okay, might be, so maybe only here is a big drop. Okay, we don't know. Smart money, they can do anything. Okay, they can do anything. Okay, we just calculate our entrance. If you enter here, your profit is here. Okay, and your cut loss is here. Okay, then it will be profit 8%, my risk 6%. Okay, that's why this is what we call your ratio of your risk. Okay, so when you are doing a trading in stock, you need to do this for your risk appetite. Okay, only like this one, you can go for long-term trading. Okay, so this is a little bit demo here. Okay, now a call and buy. Okay, so just need to share out some trade usually how we do the trade lah. Okay, so usually I'm not really formal how to teach the VSA. Martin is much more better. Okay, because I only always every time in this channel I share what I did. Okay, I've maybe some way I found maybe it's not correct, I share it out so that hopefully member don't take the wrong step. Okay, just already a knowledge sharing on it. Okay, so hopefully you can get something. Okay, and I just now I go back off track already. Actually I here just need to talk a little bit more on furniture. Okay, so when you have a furniture, you can see most of the stock is already rebound from a low. It's going up, like Li Hing is a Brick Brothers. Okay, coming also in going to like a zigzag. Whether it can break the support or no, we don't know. But what the background is, furniture is all our Malaysian furniture is all export one. Okay, export. Okay, some member also say to me is maybe it's go for Europe there. Okay, so if Europe here there is a war there, so nothing much to buy furniture. Actually, our Malaysian market a lot of is focused Middle East. Okay, Middle East. We know now Middle East is all orang kaya. Okay, because crude oil. Okay, because of crude oil. Okay, when crude oil is up, they got a lot of money to spend. Okay, what they buy? Furniture. Okay, what I know is Middle East. When they are buying a furniture, is buying a whole set of dining table is 20K Malaysian ringgit when it come to convert. But for them, very cheap money. It's not that not saying too cheap, but it's quite a value for money for them. Okay, they like our jati kayu balak, all these things. They like it. Okay, they like the texture, everything. For all these jati balak, all these things. Okay. To spend 20K in Malaysia to buy just a dining table, I think very less one. Okay, the T20 can do it lah. Okay, I think the bottom one and the middle one unlikely to buy. Okay, so but how they earn money? Actually, they can just buy to overseas. Okay, and because the now USD is very good. Okay, so the whole thing is quite very profitable. Okay, so in early or 2022, okay, I have shared that the wood element is a good element for this year. This is a little bit we'll talk about in the earlier. You can go back to see my old video. Okay, this is the element of wood is getting better. Okay, for this year, that's why your plantation is the first one. The second will be the furniture. Okay, furniture a second, then the third is education. Actually, education is also a wood element. That's education. Okay, so cakap ayah already. First, second, third. Okay, but furniture, I think, sorry, education, I think is making money, but most of the education is not listed, so you cannot benefit. Okay, so you can go for teaching or anything. Actually, education is coming. Okay, so because of MCO, now a lot of people can accept online teaching. So make the online education spread the news or knowledge is quite far, like times X fast. Okay, so what we can invest is plantation and furniture only. Okay, plantation already skyrocket high. Okay, also don't know. I think not going down. Okay, so now I see starting is a furniture. Okay, so member can have a look on the furniture list. You can search in the Bursa and see how is it. Okay, so you can put in your list and see monitoring. Okay, so it's also already 9:40. So talk too much today maybe. Okay, because I like to enjoy analysis the chart. That's why some people, some members, today supposed to be in a holiday. Okay, but holiday, I really enjoy reading the chart and know if I can predict or forecast the chart movement. Make me enjoy and happy. Okay, so that's why I every day I was doing the same thing and enjoy the moment. Okay, so long story cut short. Okay, so for next week, Selamat Hari Raya to all the Malays, Muslim friends. Okay, enjoy your holiday. Don't worry too much about the market. Okay, market is up down is always one. Okay, so for non-Muslim also enjoy your holiday. This morning I just come back from Malacca trip. Okay, so traffic still good, coming back good, go down no good lah. Okay, but just a little bit jam lah. I think still okay lah. Go to enjoy yourself and take a good enjoy moment with your family member. Okay, so I end up here and good night. Okay, bye. Thank you.